so we're literally on the road to the Provincials, meeting Big Ron there. So I will be competing against world champion Brandon Summers. So realistically, a podium finish, third or even second, would be great for me. So that being said, let's have a look back and see what the training has been like for everyone and everyone else on the team this year. And yeah, and then we'll get back to the meet itself when we meet up with Ron in Bowmanville. All right.
Honor and fear were heaped upon his name. In time, he became a king by his own hand. This story shall also be told.
How am I feeling today? I'm feeling fantastic. I made my weight class, so yes.
Yeah,
that's
so
really
that's all good. You still haven't decided on high bar or low bar?
I haven't. I gotta wait till the warm up.
You gotta wait till the warm up.
Once I'm warming up, then I'll figure out what feels good, what doesn't feel good.
Right. Okay. What else? What else? What else? That's it.
That's it.
For now.
What about you?
Yeah.
What about you? How are you feeling?
I feel good. I feel good. I weighed in 4 kilos under, and ate well last night, slept well last night. Again, competition's steep, but we'll do okay. All right.
I'll see you on the podium.
All right. Start warming up, I guess, pretty soon. All right.
Let's do it.
Here's Ronnie doing some paperwork. This is the less glorious side of the
office
meet,
work side, yes.
Right. So every lift has to be authorized by the lifter himself. So these are our attempt cards there. So Ronnie's just signing his life away there. Yeah, go ahead, brother.
Where to take the body?
Yeah, right. So we all have to do that for every meet.
Okay, so I'm just going to show you the last lifts here. Here's my last squat. 185 kilo or 408 pounds, got it. Ronnie, big squat, 212.5 kilos or 468 pounds, smoked it. Awesome lift. We didn't get many bench presses. Here's my last one, I actually failed it. I was going for 275 pounds or 125 kilos. I actually ended up with only 115 or 255 pounds, so that's that. Now here's Ron's last deadlift, really good lift, 220 kilos or 485 pounds. It got away from him a little bit, but he just gets it. Nice lift, Ronnie. That got him second place. Now here's mine. I was fourth place going in. If I get this, it clinches me second. So this is 260 kilos or 573. I've never lifted this weight before, but with all the support from all those guys, I got it.
So Ron and I, hey, there we go. How do you feel about that last lift of yours?
Mine? Well, it got away from me, but I was just happy that I got it up there. That's for sure. So I went 3 for 3 with the deads. Really happy.
And mine was unexpected.
Yours was amazing. It
I
was
had help
amazing.
of Ron and like 3 other guys. Jerry and everyone else.
Half the room was coaching him. Here we go.
And yeah, it was, I couldn't have done it without you guys.
Epic. It
It
was.
was awesome. Yeah. Right? And Steph. It was awesome. So we're bringing home a couple of silvers.
2 silvers. Yeah.
So it is now the road back home. So both Ron and I pulled up places today at the Provincials, got our silver medals, and I'm still running high, but I'm gonna crash pretty soon, so I'm gonna take this video before I start driving. Thanks to all you guys, the whole team this year that supported our powerlifting program, all you guys that have lifted in the gym, and congratulations again to Ron and to me. I still got my medal on. I'm gonna keep that on. And to Steph, Karina, and Maria for coming out today and supporting us. Really appreciate it. Big things next year. I know a few of you are already signed up, so if anyone is interested, please talk to me and we'll get you going in this magnificent sport. All right, talk to you later.